Today, I'm going to be drawing a cute little baker girl character in Adobe Illustrator. Stick around. Hello and welcome. My name is Doodle Machine. Thank you for joining me for another Doodles Doodles. So the idea behind this one, my friend Gemma, it's her birthday. It was her birthday. I made this for her birthday. And she's a baker. She's a really talented cook. She writes cooking books, and I love her recipes. She's on YouTube, so I'll include a link to her books and her channel below. I know these guys through their live stream, and I've helped them out with some stuff for their channel, some branding stuff. And Gemma is, she's just a darling. She's a sweetheart. She's so sweet and friendly and positive, and she has the most adorable British accent. I'm nuts about true British accents, and it's just something special. She's just one of those people that makes you feel good. You know, just her happy mood is infectious. It rubs off on you. And for her birthday, I wanted to make her a picture, something special. I've always been fond of the idea of a baker having to make their own birthday cake. There's just something funny about that. I mean, it's her birthday. It's the one day where you shouldn't have to bake, and here you are baking your own cake. It's kind of funny and sad at the same time. I don't think Gemma had to bake her own cake. I don't know about that for sure though. But really, I just wanted to draw a picture of a cute girl, a pretty girl chef baking with a birthday hat on. And I just realized this is the second birthday gift drawing video that I've made in a row. You know, that's one of the best parts about being an artist. If you're an artist, you probably agree. Being able to make things for people, hopefully that they'll love and appreciate. And this is what I made for Gemma on her birthday. Enjoy. that brings us to the end. Please let me know in the comments below. What do you think of the cute little baker girl? I was working in Adobe Illustrator. Sometimes I don't know how much I should explain about the actual process of what I'm doing. You know, I make kind of tutorial videos and I kind of try to keep those separate from these just videos where I'm drawing and making stuff. I've done it a few times where I kind of talk as I'm working and explain what I'm doing. So I'd love to know from you what you think is the most valuable, what you would enjoy watching. Should I kind of keep the tutorial and explanation stuff separate or include it while I'm making these kind of videos? So that's my question to you. So please let me know in the comments below. And while you're down there, click the thumbs up button if you like the video, or the thumbs down button if you dislike it. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, thanks for watching.